Welcome to Wanda's kitchen. Today I will show you how to cook high quality chicken fried rice in your own kitchen. Most of the time we always hear people say when you're cooking fried rice you need to use a cold rice, and that is a good way to use your leftover rice at home. But if we want the rice more high quality, the taste better, I would like to make the fresh rice in the same time right before you stir fry them. So let's start to cook rice first. So today I'm gonna cook a small amount. 2 cups of rice. Two and a half cup of water. Now the secret: 1 tablespoon of oil, teaspoon of salt. Then I going to put it in here and cover this, and the rice start to cook. The chicken I've been put in the freezer for about an hour. So I see some fats over here. The reason I put it in the freezer for an hour because they're more firm. That way I can cut it easily. So I like the strap. So this almost gonna be the same. After they all laid down, so we put it like this and then chop one more time. And they will be. Okay. Now all the veggie, all the chicken's ready. Soy sauce, 1 teaspoon salt. Put a tablespoon of cornstarch is over here. That's about right. So you can add a little bit more if you want to, but depend on how dry the chicken. Remember, I was put the chicken in the freezer for an hour. That's why we need more water inside the chicken. Now it's almost ready. I put a tablespoon of oil, cooking oil, over this. I use a chopstick to mix them well. Now the chicken's done over here, so I put it over here or sit over here before I make the rice is more flavorful. Onion, toast, sesame seed in the Chinese grocery store. It's not hard to find. Green onion, 1.5 cup green onion, and a half cup of gingers over here. Of course, some carrots and peas over here. Now you see I have an egg. So the result gonna be white pepper. That way the egg is easy to cook when I cook. I'm gonna cut the orange in half. Look at here. Another half. So another half over here. Then I use this knife to make this orange like this. See that? Put on the side here, like a pretty place. put them in the water and keep them.
To complete the garnish. I am now turn on the high heat under my non-stick skillet. At home, it is easy to use good skillet for cooking than the Chinese wok. When the skillet is 375 degrees, I add 3 tablespoons of cooking oil. I swirl the oil around, then add 1/2 cup of ginger. Always start with the ginger first because it takes longer to cook. And then the 1.5 cups of green onion. I then add 1 tablespoon of dry chicken granules, 1 teaspoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of regular soy sauce. This is a very easy way to make extra amount of standard ginger green onion dipping sauce, which I always keep in my refrigerator for other dishes. I take most of it out, but left about 1 tablespoon in the skillet. I then add chicken and bread it up. Then cook it, stirring constantly, for about 3 minutes. It should become golden brown on the outside, but left inside only about 70% cooked. Push the chicken to one side of the skillet. Add the beet egg to the empty side. Cook it quickly, stirring in constantly. The moment the eggs are cooked, quickly add carrot and peas. Mix everything together, including the chicken. Then add a heaping tablespoon of the ginger green onion sauce. This will add very good flavor. I mix it together, then flip everything several times. This is easy to do and add fun to your cooking, but you will have to practice it for a while. Now I am going to add 2 cups of the rice. Hot cooking rice. I put the oil, because I put the oil and the salt into the rice when it cooks. You can see that it's non-stick together. After flipping in, mix it. I am now going to add 2 tablespoons of regular soy sauce and 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Because the rice is very hot, when you add the soy sauce, they are then very evenly distributed throughout the rice. If you cook with the cold rice and add soy sauce, it will not give you the same even result. Now we add 2 kinds of sesame seed, which my family love. Add pieces of toasted red onion to finish up this high-quality chicken fried rice. Now we are going to pay it. It smells so good that it is making me hungry. Now I am going to put some of it into my bowl and carry it and my wine into my dining room to enjoy it. All right, that's a fun time. Taste it. Very good with this one. Yum yum. And it's very good with Italian Pinot Grigio. Very enjoy it.
How you like my video, please remember to be like, share, and subscribe. Hope you enjoy my next show. Thank you very much.